Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I will show you how to make a baby shoe for newborn to 3 months. So let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, I will chain 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now in the third chain I will make half double crochet for 2 times. 1 and 2. Now make double crochet, half double crochet into the remain stitches except last one. So make half double crochet in remaining stitches. Now I am reached to my last chain, so I will make 5 half double crochet into the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make half double crochet in remaining stitches except last one. Now this is my last chain. I will make 2 half double crochet into it and make slip stitch in the second chain. Now this is my first row. Chain 2, again make in the same half double crochet into the next 2 half double crochet and make half double crochet in remaining stitch. Now I have my 5 half double crochet into the same stitch, so I will make 2 half double crochet in all stitches, in all 5 stitches. Three, 4 and 5. Now make half double crochet in remaining chain except last 2 stitches. Now I have my 2 stitches, 2 half double crochet in both stitches. Now make half double crochet in the second chain. Now this is my second row. Now chain 2, make half double crochet in the same. Now 1 double crochet in the next. This is my next. Now in the next make 2 half double crochet. Again in the next 1 half double crochet, in the next 2 half double crochet. So I have 1, 2 and 3. Now make half double crochet into the remaining stitches. I made 1, 2, 3 set of 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. Then I made 6 half double crochet. Now I will make 3 double crochet, 1 2 and 3. Now make set of 1 and the next 2, next 1 2 1 2 for 10 times. So this is my first double crochet 2 times in same stitch, 1 double crochet in the next, 2 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet. So make set of 10 in 10 stitches, make it. Now make 3 double crochet into 3 stitches, 6 half double crochet, 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now 2 half double crochet into the next, 1 into the next, 2 time into the next, 1 into the next. Now make a slip stitch. Now this is my shoe sole for the newborn and 2 3 months. So I will cut the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now insert hook into the middle of the, this is the middle line, and make chain 2 and make half double crochet into the same stitch. Now make in the back back stitch half double crochet in all stitches till to the end of another side. Make it all over till to this end. Now this is my first half double crochet all over. Now again make next 2 chain and make half double crochet into the stitches all over to the end again. Make it all over till to the end. Now this is the front side. I count 11 from this side and 11 from this side. So I will make a stitch mark and start from, put a stitch mark here too, and start from the back side. So this is my back. I'll make decrease where I put the stitch mark. So half double crochet till to the stitch mark. Now I reached to my stitch marker, so I will make double crochet decrease into the stitches. Now insert, pull over 2, again turn in the next, pull a yarn, turn and pull through all of it. This is the decrease. So make it till to this end. Now I did my all decreases, So I will start half double crochet in the remaining stitches to the end. Now again make 2 chain and make half double crochet in remaining stitches. Now I am here from where I started my decrease, so again I will start my decrease. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and make half double crochet till to the end. Now chain 2 and make double crochet, half double crochet into the next stitches until we reach to the decreasing point. Now I am here, make decrease for 3 times. Now make half double crochet till to the end. Now chain 2 and make half double crochet in all stitches all around. Now I am not making any decreases, so make half double crochet into all stitches till to the end. Now I will change color. I am using off-white color. Chain 2 and make front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet. So do it till to the end. Now I finished here, so I will change the color. 1, 2, and in the front post we will make front post, and in the back we will make back post. Front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front double crochet, back double crochet. So do it till to the this end. Now again make white 2, and front post, back post, front, back, front and back. Make it till to the end. Now cut the white yarn and make for 2 times with this color back and front post. Two rows of this color back and front post.